The following video is from a previous live stream. I edited it for you so that it just contains the stuff you need. I'll be covering more about another buzzer in a second part. I hope you enjoy. If you started the Arduino series, I've only done like two. I've done like basic introduction, just a blinking light. So in this, I have a little bit different setup. Where I'm just going to use this. All right, let's go back and let's do it in Tinkercad real quick. And then you're going to grab yourself an Arduino board off to the right. Again, this is a series that I've started. I've done about two or three videos, I think. And then we're going to grab a buzzer. And the only buzzer they have here is just a piezoelectric. All right, and then we're gonna, real simply, we're gonna hook it up to the positive. Click once, drag to 12, and it's positive, so I'll make it red. And then we'll click once for the negative, and I'll change that to black. All right, cool. I'll go to code. And then get rid of this predefined stuff here. I'm going to set pin 12. Set pin 12 to high. And then I need a delay. And then I'm going to set it to low. And then I'm going to need a delay because I'm just going to make it go beep, 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 beep like that. Okay, control await. Let's change that to, say, 500 milliseconds. And really what I could have done is just get this right here, right click, say duplicate, drop it right there, change this to low, a lot faster. Start simulation. There we go. Beep, 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 beep. All right, cool. If I look at the text, no, cancel. I just want to look at the text. Here we go. All right, cool. So you can see that in an Arduino sketch is what they call their program. It is set up in a couple different ways. It's got, or there's a couple different things that are set up a part of it. I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. No, it doesn't let me zoom. Oh, wait, there we go. Okay, so you've got the setup. So void is it's a function name, or a function type that will return nothing. That's why it's called void. Void means nothing. And so there are certain functions that are reserved, so like setup, and you're saying pin mode of pin 12 is an output pin. Then the program goes in here. Everything in your program goes there. So it says void loop, and we've got digital write 12 high, and it's digital write because it's either high, which is on, or low, which is off. So on off. All right. Now we've got, so digital write 12 high, digital write 12 low. That's it. Pretty simple stuff. All right. So at this point, I could just go like that and say copy. Pretty easy. I could open up my Arduino here and say file new. So I have a new sketch here. Then I could just highlight and then paste. And there we go. So I got 12. Now I don't have a piezo, but I do have one of these guys, which is an active buzzer. All right, so I got this little guy right here, and I'm going to plug in the if you look at it, there'll be a positive and a negative, and this is from a set, it's called eLego, I think. An eLego set, it's like $35 on Amazon, and you get like a huge kit full of stuff. You get a breadboard, you get a bunch of integrated circuits, you get like even like a battery and stuff, everything that you would need to do some pretty awesome stuff. And I mean, Arduino board by itself is like $28 or something. So it's an off-brand, but it still works. Okay, so I'm gonna plug in one of these guys. It's like a female to a male, and on the positive, and I know that it's positive because you probably can't see it in the video, but there's like a little plus sign right there. And then I'm gonna plug in the negative right there. Or the ground, I should say. All right, I'm gonna plug the ground into the ground on the board. So like that, like we did in the on Tinkercad. And then I'll plug it into 12 also. Okay, so now I've got this thing set up, and now I've got my code. All right, let's go under Tools, Port. There it is. I found it. Now download it. Let's see. It's telling me to save it. Yeah, fine. Save. There we go. It's one of the more annoying projects you can do. But you can change the interval and the amount of time. And so if I were to change this to, say, like 10 milliseconds, so it's only on for 10 milliseconds, it's just going to like chirp. A lot less annoying. Oh, wait, what the heck? Ah, I deleted the parenthesis. Make it stop. There we go. Now you got a little chirp. Yep. I can even mess with, I could say I don't want it to chirp every half second. I want it to chirp every second. You kind of like when your fire detector, your smoke detector. Oh, that's less than, that was 1/10 of a second. Now there's a full second. So your smoke detector's battery is low. Yeah, a little chirp every now and then. Okay. I hope you enjoyed that first part of the buzzer. I'll be going over the other buzzer that can actually generate tones, and I'll be doing that in another video. You just saw a video that was from a live stream. I edited it a little bit. The video that I'm going to do on the buzzer where you can actually make like a little song, maybe we'll do like video game song or something like that. That is a video that's going to take a little bit longer. I appreciate your patience, and I'll get that to you as soon as I can. Thanks.